Looking for the best subwoofers for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 subwoofers that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a subwoofers that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended subwoofers. Number 1 on the list is Polk Audio PSW-1010. This 10-inch subwoofer offers crisp, clear sound with excellent bass depth, featuring a built 50-watt RMS amp, clippal distortion analyzer for lower frequency management, and 100-watt rating. This makes it an excellent choice for small to mid-sized rooms. This subwoofer is compact, measuring 14.5 tall, 14 wide, and 15 deep. Bass-heavy sound is very deep with a lack of distortion at higher volumes, including a built-in amplifier to help achieve the highest bass pitch. It also uses a clippal distortion analyzer to tune voice coil alignment, suspension, and motor structure at the lowest frequencies to produce better sound. Continuously variable 80 to 160 Hz crossover and 40 to 160 Hz, -3 dB, frequency response contribute to tones. It includes a 3-way power switch with auto, on, and off modes to avoid having to switch the speakers on and off manually. Its tightly sealed enclosure also does a spectacular job of damping internal waves, which could produce unnecessary resonance. Once you sort your home audio, our best car subwoofer guide has more great options. Second on the list is Polk Audio PSW-50512. This 1.2 subwoofer delivers powerful and clear notes, sporting 460-watt power, and slotted load vents for clearer bass sound, and voice channel level adjustments for improved spoken clarity. This makes it a top choice for home studios or game rooms with heavy movie watching. This unit features continuously variable 60 to 120 Hz crossover and 25 to 125 Hz frequency response. This healthy frequency range exposes users to a wide range of audible frequencies from 20 Hz, hard bass, to 125 Hz, warm bass, making music and movie sounds enjoyable. A clippal distortion analyzer also works to optimize performance at extreme noise levels, with even performance across all listening volumes. Bass levels can be adjusted with a controllable low-pass crossover. A stiff MDF construction with 1-inch thick front baffle and slotted load vents also helps to limit bass distortion with punchy and clear treble. But if you want something bigger, check out the best floor standing speakers. Number 3 on the list is BIC America F12 12-inch. This subwoofer produces a full range of bass like a dynamo, hitting 475 watts with a frequency range between 25 Hz to 200 Hz, output of up to 116 dB, and a compact size of 15 by 17 by 18¼ inches. This makes it ideal for audio professionals who want to experience high frequencies at rock band levels in home theaters. Sensitivity on this unit is also rated at 90 dB, which really bring out crisp low-end sound. Front-firing speakers also push the sound out into the room, not downwards towards the floor, which may create more optimal listening positions. Magnetic shielding also protects nearby TVs and other electronics from having its data/picture disrupted by the subwoofer's electromagnetic field. Unit is somewhat larger and heavier, 42 pounds, than our top picks, at 14.75 by 17.24 by 17 inches, making it a challenge to insert into some end cases. Its design is also polarizing, with a grainy black finish and platinum metallic drivers. This subwoofer comes with 5-year parts and labor warranty with an amplifier warranty of 3 years, parts and labor. One of the best warranties on our list. Speaking of quality audio, that's what you need for the best internet radio. Number 4 on the list is BIC Acoustech PL-200II subwoofer. This subwoofer is a solid budget subwoofer, with 250 watts of continuous power, 1000 W peak for short massive bursts of bass, and a respectable 22 Hz, 200 Hz frequency range. This makes it a good choice for action movie watching in home theaters that could amplify those gunshots and train explosions with short, powerful bursts. Its peak power rating of 1000 W is the highest on our list, making it an action movie dynamo. A 110 dB sensitivity rating maximizes loudness with every 1 watt. Compared to averaged sensitivity measurements for 88 dB. With a front-ported design, it is best to place it a minimum of 6 feet away, making it better for 400 square foot plus home movie theaters. Perfect for the best satellite radio for home, the BIC Acoustech's warranty is the best on the list, with a 5-year warranty on the amplifier and an 8-year warranty on the speakers. For reference, the BIC America carries 5-year parts and labor warranty / 3-year amplifier warranty, and the Sony Sax 9 carries a 2-year warranty. Number 5 on the list is Acoustic Audio PSW 10 400W. This 10-inch amplifier encourages serious head nodding with 400 watts of peak power, a generous 25 Hz to 250 Hz frequency response, and a built-in digital amplifier. All of the features make it a solid choice for home theater speakers and larger bedrooms with in-wall and in-ceiling setups. It could be a candidate for the top-rated bookshelf speakers, too. Its built-in digital amplifier works like a charm, allowing for customized sound using adjustable independent gain / level control and low-pass frequency control. Bottom-slotted bass ports and a high-rigidity PVA-treated con also help optimize the bass response, really helps those movie sound effects to pop off the screen. The unit is also stable even with max volume levels, with gray batting in its ported enclosure to reduce internal sound waves and keep it level while maintaining the same sound quality across different frequencies. For an even better high-volume experience, you might be interested in a 3.1 soundbar or a 5.1 soundbar instead. Just now is a list of 5 best subwoofers that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.